Hey boys and girls, today I'm feeling sort of hungry, so I think I'm going to make a salad. But I need your help to make this salad. This is a special kind of salad, and it's called a syllable salad. Can you say that? Syllable salad. Now, I have my bowl here, but I don't have anything in my bowl yet, so I need to add some things. If I make a salad, the first thing I want to add is lettuce. But I'm not going to add that lettuce until we count out the syllables. So I want you to say the word lettuce with me, and let's count our syllables. You ready? Lettuce. How many syllables? That's right, there are 2 syllables. So I'm going to draw some lettuce in my bowl to make my salad. Now, sometimes the lettuce is all fluffy there. Now, once I've got lettuce in my bowl, what's something else I could add to my salad? Maybe I could add cheese. Can you help me count out the syllables for cheese? You ready? Cheese. How many syllables are in the word cheese? There's 1 syllable in the word cheese. Now, cheese is kind of yellow, so I'm going to add some yellow in my salad. Okay, can you see that? It's kind of hard to see. Now, I also could add to my salad some bacon. Can we clap out bacon? Bacon. So, bacon is kind of a reddish color, isn't it? So I'm going to put some bacon. Sometimes they come in little teeny pieces, like we call them bacon bits. So I'm going to put my bacon in my salad. Yummy. Now, what else could I put? Oh, I like to eat croutons. Do you like to eat croutons? You know, those crunchy bread things? Oh, they're so good. So let's count out the syllables in croutons. You ready? Croutons. How many syllables? 2. So croutons are kind of brown and square. Okay, so my croutons are in my salad. And some people like to eat tomato in their salad. It's not my favorite, but I can eat it. But I'm going to pretend that I want to put tomato in this salad. So let's clap out the syllables in tomato. You ready? Tomato. How many syllables? There are 3 syllables in tomato. So I am going to put some slices of tomato on my salad. Now, I also, on my salad, need to pour something, don't I? I need to pour some dressing. I really like ranch dressing or Thousand Island dressing. So let's clap out the syllables for the word dressing. You ready? Dressing. Now, I'm going to pretend that I'm putting Thousand Island on this. And Thousand Island is kind of a orangey color. So I am just going to come and I am going to drizzle my dressing all over it. And oh my goodness, I am already feeling full because I just made a syllable salad. Now, we're going to do a sheet together and I want you to think about syllables as we're doing this.